Telegram is a popular messaging app. People use it to talk to friends, businesses use it to talk to customers, but typing messages all day can be tiring. That's where bots come in. A bot is like a little helper in your Telegram. It can send messages automatically, it can answer questions, it can even play games. Bots make using Telegram easier and more fun. Imagine you own a shop. You could use a bot to tell people about new products, or you could use it to answer questions about your store hours. The possibilities are endless. Let's learn how to make our own Telegram bots. We'll use Python, a popular programming language, and Flask, a tool that helps us build websites and apps. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Python is like a set of instructions for computers. It's easy to learn and use. Flask helps us organize our Python code to create powerful things, like our bot. First, you'll need to install Python on your computer. You can download it for free from the official Python website. Just follow the instructions for your computer. Next, we'll install Flask. Flask is a framework. That means it gives us a structure for building our bot. We can install it using Python's package installer, pip. Open your computer's command line and type. Finally, we'll install the library. This is a special tool that lets our Python code talk to Telegram. Just like Flask, we install it using pip. Now we have all the tools we need to start building. Let's build a simple bot that replies to messages. First, we'll use Python and the library to create the bot Python from Telegram import update from telegram.ext import updater, command handler, message handler, filters updater, =sign updater, token, your bot token. This code does a few things. It sets up a connection to Telegram using your bot's unique token. You can get a token by talking to the bot father on Telegram. It defines a function called that sends a greeting message. It tells the bot to listen for the command and run the function when it receives it. Now let's use Flask to create a web server that will keep our bot running Python. Congratulations, you've built a simple Telegram bot, but the real power comes from automating tasks. Let's say you want your bot to send a welcome message to new members of a group. You can modify your bot code to listen for new chat members and send them a message. Python from Telegram import, update from telegram.ext, import updater, command handler, chat member handler. Now whenever someone joins a group where your bot is present, it will greet them. You can use similar logic to automate all sorts of tasks like sending reminders, collecting data, or even playing games. Building Telegram bots with Python and Flask opens up a world of possibilities. You can automate tasks, improve communication, and even have a little fun along the way. So, go ahead, start building and see what you can create.